Do you think that you're being a favorite at work? In this video, I have 6 signs of favoritism in the workplace. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Preston, author of Harness Your Butterflies and creator of the Career Accelerator program, helping professionals just like you to create a fulfilling and exciting career. If you're new to the channel, if you're interested in this type of content, don't forget to hit subscribe. I have new videos every Tuesday. And if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Favoritism. It's something that maybe you are experiencing or it's something that you're observing in the workplace. And in this video, I have 6 different signs that favoritism is happening, whether it's happening to you or it's happening within your organization. So let's get into it. The first sign that you're experiencing favoritism in the workplace is that you're getting all the good projects. Now, if your supervisor likes you, if your organization likes you and they favorite you, they're gonna give you first pick on all of the projects that you might wanna work on. Now, this might just be a sign of a good boss, if you have a good boss who knows where your sweet spot is. But the other thing is, if it's a high profile project with really good kind of visibility and it's something that you can knock out of the park, it's probably a good sign that you're a favorite at work. On the opposite side of that, if you're always stuck with crappy projects, it's probably a sign that you're not very favorited at work. The second sign is that your boss is always praising you in front of others. Now, it's always great to have a supervisor recognize your work, but if it's happening a lot, especially in front of high-level executives and your boss is constantly giving you praise, that's a sign that you might be a favorite at work. Now, it's nice to always get praise, but at the same time, if you are the person who is a favorite at work, it is partly your responsibility to make sure that other team members are getting praised and acknowledged as well, whether that's you publicly recognizing them or you talking to your boss about other contributors that are on this project as well. So just know if you're getting recognized at work, that's a good sign. The third thing, which maybe doesn't apply for everyone, but you have a great office space at work. Now, if you are a favorite and your supervisor likes you and your organization likes you, you're probably gonna get first pick on which office or which location that you wanna be based out of. Now, this isn't gonna apply for everyone because a lot of us are still working at home, but if you're seeing that you have a better office space, maybe a better location in the office, that's a good sign that you're a favorite. With that in mind, your office space should be dedicated to job title and experience, not how much your supervisor likes you. So if you feel like you're being kind of given more than you deserve, you might want to make sure that you level set with your boss and make sure that other team members are feeling included as well. The fourth sign that you're a favorite at work is your organization is providing you extra benefits. Extra benefits can look like things like extra allowance, extra travel, maybe a company lease on your car. All of those things can be considered extra benefits that other people don't receive. Now, if you get those, that's a great sign, but just know if it's something that you don't deserve, you might want to double check with your supervisor and make sure that those extra bonuses or extra perks are things that aren't just being given to you, but that are widely distributed among the organization. Number 5, you never get asked to do any of the grunt work. Now, in some organizations, grunt work is typically kind of reserved for very entry-level people, and if that's your company culture, fine. But if you have seen that your coworkers are putting in a lot more effort or hustle than you are required to, you might want to have a conversation with your boss and take on some of those projects just to help your team out. I'm not saying that you always should be taking on grunt work, but if you see that you are a favorite at work, it's sometimes that quote of great power comes great responsibility. You want to make sure that you're supporting your team and giving back to your organization. Number 6, you just get any other sort of positive special treatment. This is sort of a catch-all. If you just see that you have a lot of these extra benefits, perks, just things that are happening for you that other people don't get to experience, oftentimes it is a result of your hard work and your effort and your positive attitude toward work. But you want to make sure that when you're experiencing favoritism, that it's not getting taken too far. If you're getting a lot of extra special treatment, let's say you're getting invited to trips, vacations, things like that, you want to make sure that you're still you still want to make sure that you're performing in a professional manner and having professional relationships with your supervisor and other employees, and that you're not crossing the boundaries of becoming friends with all of your coworkers to the point where you're all taking vacations with the supervisor, because that gets a little weird. So just know that if you are a favorite at work, you also have a lot of responsibility to make sure that the rest of the team feels included and doesn't feel like they have to hold up the entire organization by themselves. With that quick video for you, that's all I have, the 6 signs that you are experiencing favoritism at work. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. I have new videos every Tuesday, so I'll see you on the next one.